Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I have a favor to ask of everybody. My good friend William, who does all the transporting on my cars, I will not let anybody but William touch anything that I buy ever. He is the best of the best. Him and his lady just started a YouTube channel, so I am going to ask that if you guys love old cars, old history, to please go over and subscribe. I'm going to try to figure out how to put the link to his channel in the end of this video. I'm kind of tech challenged sometimes, so I hope that I can figure it out, but it would mean a lot to me if you guys would go on and give him some subscribers. He just started it. It's brand new, so we're trying to make it grow. His channel is going to be about restoring Tucumcari, New Mexico. He has bought several very vintage buildings and hotels and things like that, like old auto hotels on Route 66. So it's really, really cool. A lot of these buildings are from the 30s, and he is single-handedly, like I said, him and Brandy going through restoring them and going to reopen them as tourist attractions. So I think that that's awesome. William has lots of classic cars of his own, and he's just into everything vintage, and it's just super cool. So like I said, if you guys would do me a favor and go over and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate that. He's an awesome guy. They have become such dear friends of ours. I've known them for years. And so yes, if you would please do that, I would very much appreciate it. Thanks guys. Have a blessed evening.